Hi guys, I'm Vizentinis again, and in this lesson I will teach you how to uh, respond to the send button, how to build an ident, how to start a second activity, how to create the second activity, how to receive the ident, and how to display a message. After completing the previous lesson, you have an app that shows an activity, a single screen, with a text field and a button. In this lesson, we will add some code to main activity that starts a new activity when the user clicks the send button. To respond to the buttons on click event, open the activity main XML from here, layout, double click activity main XML, and now we will go to add a new attribute. The attribute is on click in the button, double click on click event, and here we will write send message, and I think we are okay. Save the activity main XML. The Android on click attributes value send message is the name of the method in your activity that system calls when the user clicks the button. Now we'll close the main XML and go to the main activity Java, and in here we will add a corresponding method. So public here we have to import the view. You can click here to import the view and open brackets. Okay, now inside the message, the send message method, we will create an indent to start an activity who will call display message. An indent, you have to know, that is an object that provides runtime bidding between separate components, such as two activities. The indent represents an app's indent to do something. You can use indents for a wide variety of tasks, but most often they are used to start another activity. So let's start writing. Control space. Here it is, double click. We will name the indent I, and it would be equal to new indent. The parameters must be this and the name of the new activity, the new class. Let's say that is display message dot class. We'll have an error here because we didn't make yet the display message class. We will fix it later. So as you see here, the constructor takes here two parameters. A context is the first parameter. This is used because the activity class is a subclass of context. The class of the app component to which the system should deliver the indent. In this case we have the display message class. An indent not only allows you to start another activity, but it can carry a bundle of data to the activity as well. So inside the send message method, we will use the find view by ID to get the edit text element and add its text value to the indent. So we have to have a new variable edit text. We will name it as the same name, edit text, will be equal to parenthesis edit row space text. Find view by ID. In the ID we will try to find research ID with our packets dot and the name of the edit message in XML file. Close with question mark. We are okay. Now we will use a string variable, let's say message, and it will be equal to the name of our edit text variable, this one, and the method for this view get text, so we can take the text from the edit text. Double click, to string. Okay, so if the edit text contains any of arithmetical values, we will fix it to string. And now we will use the intent variable and put extra method. Let's take this one, and for the name we will have let's say extra message. Here we have to have a string, but we will make a new one, a new constant, and the value, in the value we will use the message, the string variable message. Close the question mark, and I think we are okay for here. And now let's go to create a final, public final static string, and we'll name it extra message as we did it here. And copy, paste it here, and this one will be equal to our package name, dot message. Close with the question mark. So in order for the next activity to query the extra data, you should define the key for your indents extra using a public constant, as we did it here. It's generally a good practice to define keys for indent extras using the app's package name as prefix. This ensures that they are unique in case your app interacts with other apps. In other case, we can use here just a simple string for the name of the information that we carry to the other activity. Instead of extra message, we can write just my message, and in this way we don't need this final static string extra message. As I said before, it's because we have to this one ensures that they are unique in case your app interacts with other apps. So let's delete this one. So now if we want to start the second activity, we will write the start activity method, this one, and we will use the I, which is the name of our ident. So that's it for this lesson. In the next one we will continue to create the second activity and add the title string, add the file to the manifest, receive the indent, and display the message to the new activity. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope I see you again.